Costco. It's raining cats and dogs today. Last minute shopping, Christmas shopping to be specific. There you go. Make sure it's nice and dry for you. Nice and dry. We're here, and of course, big screens on sale. Man, they're getting so big. This is called the temptation aisle. Ooh, of course, drones that you're gonna use twice and then never use it again. Christmas wrapping. Those are crazy. Oh my gosh, $9,000 each. I rarely go to Costco when it's crazy busy. But I got some last minute Christmas shopping. I'm actually curious what kind of sales there are. Plus I gotta pick up some groceries. It's been a while since we've been here. So Bella was sweet enough to help me because we're gonna go to a hotel and we need to get some snacks for the hotel, right? What do you want for the hotel? You don't know?
I want cereal.
Cereal? Okay, I guess we can get cereal, but you know they have cereal that you can pick at the hotel too. This is a gnarly air fryer. I've never seen one that had double containers, 30 bucks off. I think that's a good deal. Our Breville oven has an air fryer function on it already. Man, Ninja is really stepping up their game. Remember when Ninja was just a blender and now they make all these kind of things? See, this is the kind of appliance that I'm personally not into, but it is kind of cool. It goes from cooker to oven to table. I guess you can take this whole container right here, bake it, and then put it right onto the table, which is actually pretty cool. But I wonder if this is a slow cooker. This is not on sale though, 90 bucks. And this is what I know Ninja for, Ninja blenders. I'm curious if they started off as just blenders or if they had other things. This is 70 bucks. Tell me if you've used Ninja, if that's a good blender or not. We're kind of in the market for a new blender. We've had our Blendtec for a very long time. It's still working, but I find that a lot of you guys have commented Blendtec's not nearly as good as Vitamix, and then two, it is kind of old. So I don't know. We've had it literally since we started the vlogs. In fact, we bought that Blendtec blender when we started the vlog in 2011. Crazy that the blender is as old as this vlog. Okay, so I think this might be the best deal here at Costco. This is a KitchenAid. I think it's called the bowl lift stand mixer. We have the one where it tilts up, but this is $80 off. So normally 400 bucks, $319. So that's a good deal. You know what I like about KitchenAid? All these little attachments. This one peels, or I guess it cuts vegetables into these cool shapes. But I'm planning on buying a whole bunch of attachments this holiday. Hopefully they're on sale. Oh, here you go. Oh yeah, Bella. Do we make cookies from this? Yeah, we do make cookies from that. I wonder why you would want the lift versus the tilt. Let me know if you're a baker. Tell me, why would you want the lift version versus the tilt head? I'm assuming it has something to do with size, but I wonder if this is maybe more pro grade. All the attachments are the same though. You want to go look at the cereal? Yeah. Okay, let's go get the cereal. By the way, update on the KitchenAid mixer. Love it. I haven't used it that much, but everything from cookies to whipped cream. As you guys know, Kira makes her own ice cream, and it's nice to have that versus having to use a hand mixer. In fact, I can't remember the last time we used the hand mixer. Kind of not even necessary. Wow, it's actually not that busy over here. It's way busier over there where all the gifts are, but not here where the food is. We already have Cinnamon Toast Crunch. We need to buy more cereal. What about this? Okay. Let me know if you've bought this. How is it? Is this good? Is it worth it?
Yeah.
Is it worth it? Have you had it before, baby? Marshmallows? Yeah, I see that it is marshmallows. This is a pretty big box. Just to give you a comparison, I have average size hands, I think, for a guy. $6.79, almost 24 ounces. It's heavy too. I don't think we should get it. What do you think? Kind of looks like if you were to combine Cheerios with, what's that one, Lucky Charms? I don't know, Bella. So last time I was here, I bought this one. This is called Crown Maple Oats, Nuts, and Super Seeds Granola. Seemed kind of obvious. It says Crown Maple because I believe this is a maple syrup company. And so it does have a hint of maple syrup flavor all over. It's really good. What we do is we mix it with our plain yogurt with some honey. Probably should use maple syrup. It's really good. Oh, it tells you right there, lightly sweetened with 100% pure maple syrup. It really does have a strong flavor of maple syrup though, even though it says lightly sweetened. We've been sweetening as much as possible all of our foods with alternative sweeteners, so not sugar. This being one of our favorites right here, Northwest raw unfiltered honey. Tell me if you guys have this at your Costco's outside of Washington, because we have really good honey here. We already got honey, baby. We still have 2 bottles left. I thought they were running out because there was only a few left. It looks like they restocked. I think most people know honey is very healthy as long as you get that raw stuff unfiltered, especially if you can buy it local. There's a lot of good minerals, nutrients in them, and it's delicious. But maple syrup, I feel like maple syrup would be a more healthier alternative. So in our ice cream, what? Bluey? Yeah. Where's Bluey? Even in our ice cream, we've been substituting processed refined sugar with maple syrup, and it's actually been really delicious. I think it matches certain flavors better. When we made strawberry ice cream, we did not use maple syrup. We just used organic sugar that we bought here at Costco. Oh, there you go. There's the Bluey.
The Spider-Man.
Oh.
The Spider-Man.
It's Spider-Man?
Yeah.
Look at that. Kids floor loungers, 20 bucks off. Originally 80 bucks, now 60 bucks. That's pretty cool. That'd be perfect for your room now that you guys got so much room, especially for sleepovers. I don't know though, I don't think I need to be buying that right now. Never seen this before here, but a legit gift that's kind of unusual is these little giant ladders. I believe they were infomercials back in the day, but they're super stable. I swear by these ladders. So what makes them unique is at the bottom, they kind of curve out and it's very, very stable. I've painted my house with these. I've gone up to the roof with these and I never feel unsafe on them. Really stable, and this is 160 bucks. They used to be a lot bigger and more expensive, but this is called the Little Giant Mega Light and it's the smaller size. So that's a good buy. Kind of an unusual gift, but they will keep that gift for a lifetime. My philosophy on gifts is I like to give gifts when I know it's something that the people will really want. I don't want to just give a gift just for the sake of giving a gift, and especially if it's a gift they need and they'll keep forever. And that Little Giant, as unusual as it is, solid gift. Maybe for the guys that kind of like those kind of things. The one downside though is it is quite heavy compared to other ladder that size. Bella's got her eyes on the first samples of the day. Babe, I don't think you'll like it. It's gorgonzola cheese. Thank you very much.
Yeah, just a couple. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's perfect. Here you go, baby. Let's take your gloves off, babe. There you go. So you actually have something to grip it with, one for each hand. Healthy cracker there. We're at a Costco that we normally don't go to. It's always exciting because there's products you don't get at your own, such as these takoyaki balls. So if you've been to Japan or into Japanese food, this is takoyaki. This is octopus balls. There's a little dough on the outside. There's a piece of octopus on the inside. You put these toppings on. It's a takoyaki chip or flavored corn puffs. That sounds actually really good. I have seen these buffalo style crispy chips. Ooh, where did I see these? I was trying to pick a snack. I was gonna pick this or something else. Oh yeah, I was at the co-op. It's pretty cool seeing products that normally you thought you'd only see at a health food store pop up at a Costco. Buffalo chips, chicken breast, egg whites, chicken bone broth made into, I guess, a healthier chip. You know what? I'm totally gonna buy one of these. Kind of want to try them. Something I do though to look if anything is healthy for you, like really healthy. See how many ingredients there are. That tells you how processed it is. Now, there's a lot of ingredients, but I'm still gonna try it because it sounds delicious. Lots of protein in this, I think. Ooh, look at that, 10 grams of protein. Finding all kinds of new stuff. Cross buns, chocolate, buttery croissant buns, and then limoncello ricotta cheesecake. This is new for me. Kirkland Signature freezer gallon bags. Love that. Strategically right next to the Ziploc. 192 versus 152, and the price is $1 cheaper? Oh, I'm all for this. That's a good deal right there. Bella, what are you doing? Speaking of Kirkland brand, 5-hour energy, how about extra strength energy shot? Something I never thought I would ever buy is parchment paper from Costco. So I use this all the time for when I'm preparing smash burgers. I take the parchment paper, smash the burgers before I cook them instead of on the cooktop in between each piece of parchment paper, and it's perfect for prepping for parties. And obviously we use this for baking. So let's see, how much is that? I mean, 13 bucks, man. Costco, such great prices. How's that cracker, by the way? Do you like the cracker?
No.
Don't get too full, we're gonna go to dinner. You want popcorn? Thank you very much. There you go. What do you say? It's getting kind of crazy. So I used to buy this coconut water called Harmless Coconut Water. Now Kirkland brand has their own version, and I'm guessing it's way, way cheaper. And I think I'm gonna buy a pack. Want some coconut water, baby? Huh? You want coconut water? Hi.
Is it okay if I take a picture with you?
Sure.
My girlfriend is like...
For sure, yeah.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
good to meet you. Take care. Okay, I rarely do this. I feel bad for doing this, but I forgot Bella's water, and this seems like a really good deal. Hey, I'm gonna give you this for your water, okay? This is a coconut water brand I normally get right here after the Harmless stuff. Now this stuff isn't refrigerated. This is the bigger bottle. This is the smaller bottles, and this is, I'm assuming, the competitor. Normally I don't try to consume product before I buy it, but I'm kind of desperate, and this girl is very, very thirsty. Whoa, look at that.
Open.
I'm gonna open it because actually Daddy's thirsty too, okay? Look at that. Oh. Just like the Harmless, it's pink. Wow, that's really good. It's got kind of a tinge to it, like a good tinge, not a bad tinge, almost as if it was slightly carbonated. I think that's enough samples. I'm surprised that she hasn't noticed the Bluey cereal. Hey, wouldn't it be cool if there was a Bluey cereal? A cereal that was themed after the show Bluey.
Yeah.
Wouldn't that be cool if they had one? My gosh, they got everything Bluey now. Every parent knows this song that's got kids this age. The girls love that song so much that every time they hear that, they dance. This girl's being silly right now. It's pretty cute. I didn't even know they knew that song and that show, and it was playing on the TV, and they just both started spontaneously breaking into dance, and yeah, it was adorable. I filmed it. Last time I bought this, and it's delicious. Normally the Kewpie salad dressing we get is these roasted sesame seed, but this one, the roasted garlic onion, bomb. Now, if you like onion flavored stuff, this is for you. If you're not a big fan of onion flavored stuff, I mean, obviously it says onion on there, don't get it. I was just surprised how strong the onion is and how it comes through. So this was really good on cabbage salad. Yes, winning. So the real reason we're here is to buy snacks for the hotel, because we're gonna go to a hotel here soon. Hey, sit down, baby, sit down. Ooh, I'm all about granola bars, but when you stuff it full of some kind of fruit, it's both strawberry and apple, sounds hella good, and it's organic. Well, this is not for right now, this is for the hotel, baby. You have to stay next to Daddy, okay? Because we're almost done. Ah! I'm finding all kinds of different foods here. Teriyaki beef chow mein. What you doing, baby? You're going the wrong way. You're going in circles.
Yeah.
You will get it in a second. We're about to check out, okay? I'm sure this is pretty obvious to most other people because you pay attention. Juliana asked for pistachios, and I bought her this pack with salt and pepper. She was not a big fan. I like it though. It's really good as a beer snack. So I'm gonna just get her some regular old pistachios. Again, Kirkland brand, not sponsored here. Where you going again, baby? Come on, you're going the wrong way. So yeah, look out for those, because I did not know those were salt and pepper. I just grabbed them because they said pistachios on them. Thank you, babe. Are you actually pushing?
They're one of those, like, you know, those megaphones.
Oh yeah.
That just kind of...
Oh yeah. Hold this, baby.
No.
Come on, you need to give it to the person. Okay, you want it now?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Okay, let's go. Carol, I'm gonna follow you, okay? Let's go.
Woo, the wind!
Hold it tight, baby, hold it tight. Thank you very much, let's go.
Night.
Okay, I'm gonna hold it though for you, just in case. Come on, let's go.
Have a good night.
Yep. This way, baby.